Welcome viewers to the Acropolis of Athens. Today, we're going to explore one of the most iconic landmarks of ancient Greece. The Acropolis, derived from the Greek word akros, meaning high, and polis, meaning city. The ruins are gathered next to the entrance. The Acropolis has a rich history dating back to prehistoric times. It has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, religious ceremonies, and architectural marvels. The Theater of Dionysus Eleuthereus is an ancient Greek theater located on the south slope of the Acropolis Hill. Built in the 6th century BCE, it is the oldest Greek theater and served as a space for religious ceremonies and dramatic performances. The Odeon of Herodes Atticus, also known as the Odeon, is a remarkable stone Roman theater situated on the southwest slope of the Acropolis. It was constructed in 161 AD and could accommodate up to 5,000 spectators. Unfortunately, the Odeon was destroyed by the Heruli in 267 AD and left in ruins. In the 1950s, the audience stands and the orchestra stage were restored using Pentelic marble. The Temple of Athena Nike stands on the Acropolis of Athens, dedicated to both the Greek goddesses Athena and Nike. The Propylaea, a classical Greek Doric building complex, served as the monumental ceremonial gateway to the Acropolis of Athens. The Parthenon, a former temple on the Athenian Acropolis in Greece, was dedicated to the goddess Athena. Constructed between 447 and 432 BCE, it stands as an enduring symbol of ancient Greece, democracy, and Western civilization. The Parthenon was built to commemorate the Hellenic victory over the Persian Empire during the Greco-Persian Wars. It also served as the city treasury and underwent various transformations over the centuries, including conversion into a Christian church and later a mosque. The Old Temple of Athena likely dates back to the second half of the 6th century BCE and housed the Zoanon, wooden cult statue, of Athena Polias. Although its exact nature, reconstruction, and duration remain unresolved, substantial building foundations discovered in the late 19th century confirmed its existence. In addition to the ancient sites, the Acropolis provides excellent view of the incredible city of Athens. If you enjoyed this journey through the Acropolis, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more historical adventures.